The creators of the new Doctor Who are so eager to deliver a sensational new series they've turned to sex education for inspiration. Producers behind the sci-fi favorite want to sign up Tanya Reynolds, who plays androgynous bisexual Lily Iglehart in the Netflix show. 3. Doctor Who bosses want sex education star Lily Iglehart for new series, but not to replace Jodie WhittakerCredit, Netflix. 3. After 4 years, Jodie Whittaker has now left her role as the Doctor and her replacement has not yet been announced. Credit, Alamy. And they're keen to offer her the role of the Doctor's new assistant when filming on the BBC One drama starts in April. A TV insider said, if Tanya became the Doctor's new companion, she'd be a unique sidekick in comparison to the likes of Billie Piper or Jenna Coleman. But that's the whole point of the reinvented Doctor Who, they want to create a very different version of the time-traveling adventures. Since they're likely to be hiring a very different actor to play the Time Lord, it makes sense to select an unusual companion for them. But it will be a dilemma for Tanya, who may end up taking a lesser role on the cast because she knows that being a companion can be just as long a commitment as playing the Doctor. After 4 years, Jodie Whittaker has now left her role as the Doctor. Yaz Khan, played by Mandeep Gill, has also gone, so there are now 2 vacancies. Frontrunners to play the 14th Time Lord include Ditsason star Omari Douglas and up-and-coming actor Fadi El Sayed. But up to now there's been little indication about who might become the Doctor's new pal. Tanya, 30, has become a favorite among fans of sex education since she first appeared on The Saucy Show in 2019. She's also starred in Delicious on Sky and The Bisexual on Channel 4. Sounds like Tanya could be the Doctor's most daring companion yet. Bez, I can still play maracas. Happy Mondays star Bez is licking his wounds after being booted from Dancing on Ice. But he's thrilled to have escaped injury to his legs and maraca shaking hands. Before joining the ITV skate show, the 90s legend, 57, was best known for dancing and shaking the instrument on stage alongside Shaun Ryder and their bandmates. Chatting after his exit, Bez said, "Anything that impairs my ability to hold a pair of maracas would have been a tragedy, and of course me legs as well, because I depend on my legs to dance and to rave, my legs, ankles. Yeah, I felt relieved. At the end of the day I knew I had reached the end of the road, you know what I mean. My old bones, my old knees, my old back, they were screaming in protest. So it was a good time for me to come out. We'll miss you though, Bez. Visbet. The daughter of soap star Ryan Thomas is joining Uncle Adam Thomas on Waterloo Road. Scarlett, whose parents are Corrie stars Ryan and Tyne O'Brien, has been cast in the upcoming 11th series of the BBC One school drama. Adam posted the news on social media yesterday. Peak Blinder on 1. The One Show will tonight feature Tim Peake talking about his latest foray into space, only this time the astronaut will be keeping his feet firmly on the ground. He travelled to the Royal Observatory Greenwich in London yesterday to launch Fun Kids Radio's mission transmission. 3. Tim Peake travelled to the Royal Observatory Greenwich in London yesterday to launch Fun Kids Radio's mission transmission. Credit, Getty. Over 2,500 children have made submissions, many of which have now been beamed into deep space. In the process, they've also created a new Guinness World Record. Tim was joined by some of the youngsters as the transmission was beamed out at the speed of light. It could travel millions of miles, and might be picked up by alien civilizations. Now could one of the scientists behind this project explain why my phone suddenly loses its signal when I try to ring my local Nando's?